Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to recover Gmail password without recovery phone number and email. Now, in order to do that, you should have the same device that you have used to sign in using this account. This is the first thing that you will need. The second thing is to use it in the same location because Gmail itself can recognize that you are trying to recover the Gmail that you have signed in into this mobile or this device, and also the Gmail that you actually signed in this location. So these are two prior things that you should make sure that you have them. And you should know that this method works on Android, iOS, PC, browser, tablet, any device. Now let's go into the steps. Now open any web browser you have. Then you want to search for Gmail account recovery. Go for the first option. Now click on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Then you should scroll down till you spot here forgot your password. Then go and click on this link right here that says recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you should enter your email. Now I'm gonna enter one of my emails. Let's say this one for example. Then I'm gonna click on next. Then here it tells me use your mobile to verify you. I'm gonna click on continue. Then I'm gonna use my fingerprint. Then you have this option update password. So now you can simply recover your email without the email that has been as an alternative linked to your email. So you do not need an alternative email, or you do not need even a phone number. The alternative email, I mean the recovery email. So you do not need both. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.